Hello students, good morning. In the last videos we have discussed air pollution, that environmental chemistry. For your syllabus only they have explained air pollution and water pollutions, and already we have completed air pollution concept, and in this videos we are going to study water pollution. Okay, and already we are familiar with this concept water pollutions, and we know that one water is a precious resource, and without it life is not possible on this earth. First thing you all remember that one, without water life is not possible on earth. And water is getting polluted day by day. Why? Because due to excessive and careless use, so the percentage of available drinking water is reducing day by day. That's why we are facing. And one thing you remember that there are many ways which causes water pollution, and the effects of it are very harmful for all living and non-living objects. Okay, and then how it is formed. Okay, then come to the point, what is meant by water pollution. Water pollution is any chemical changes or physical or biological change in the quality of water. There is a chemical or physical or biological change in the quality of water that has a harmful effect on any living thing that drinks. That is known as water pollution. Or, and we know that water in abundant amounts is required for agricultural and also industries and households. After we, however, it gets highly polluted. However, it gets highly polluted. We know that one. Take a definition of water pollution. Water pollution. Water pollution is any chemical change. Is any chemical or physical or also you take a biological change biological change biological change in the quality of quality of water that has a harmful effect on any living thing that drinks. This is water pollution. Water pollution is any chemical or physical or biological change in the quality of water that has a harmful effect on any living thing that drinks. That is known as water pollution. And what is the sources of water pollutants? Sources of pollutants. Go for the next concept, sources of pollutants. sources of pollutants. This water pollution is usually caused by human activities. What are those human activities? What are the sources of pollutants? Water pollution. Water pollution is usually water pollution is usually caused by human activities. And then we have to study what are those. First one you take. First one, it is from factories and sewage treatment plants. Sewage treatment plants. It is from factories, sewage treatment plants, and also you take most important is underground mines, oil wells, and also oil tankers, and the most important is agriculture. Most important is agriculture. This is the it will pollute the waters from factories. They will produce all, or they will leave wastewater. They will enter into the river. It gets polluted. And sewage treatment plants. These are all pollutants. Enter into the water. It will get polluted. The first point is factories, sewage treatment plants, and underground minings or mines, oil wells, oil tankers, and the most important is agriculture. This is the first source of water pollution. And go for a second point, that is go for acid deposition from the air. The first thing, acid deposition on the air. And second one is trophic pollutants that are spread through the rivers, and pollutants that enter the water, spread through the rivers, and that pollutants that enter the water through groundwater, it will get polluted. The second point is acid deposition from the air, and traffic pollutants that are spread through the rivers, and that pollutants enter the water through groundwater, it will get polluted, and water pollution is formed. Second one is, that is acid deposition from the air, traffic pollutants, traffic pollutants that are spread through rivers, and pollutants and pollutants that enter the water through groundwater, it will get polluted. This is the one of the source for water pollution. And come to the point of third source of the water pollution or pollutants, that is the main one. You already know that one, that is the city sewage and industrial waste discharged into the rivers. When the discharged water enters into the water, it will get polluted. That is a major cause for the water pollution. First one is the city sewage, the city sewage and industrial wastewater, waste discharge into the rivers. Major cause for the water. This is the other source for the water pollution. And next one is the important, and already you know that one because we are all farmers. Agricultural runoff, or the water from the field that drains into the river, is another major water pollutants, as it contains fertilizers and pesticides. When that water contains fertilizers and pesticides, they enter into the river, it will get polluted. That is the major source for water pollution. The fourth one, it is the agricultural runoff, or you take the water from the fields, that drains into the river, is another major water pollutants, as it contains fertilizers and pesticides. These are the sources of water pollutants. First thing, in the last videos we have discussed air pollution, the same water pollutions. Water pollution, it is the water pollution is any, there is a chemical or physical or biological changes in that water. If we drink that water, we will get affected, then that water is called as water gets polluted. And what are the sources of that water pollutions for human activities? The major cause usually caused by human activities, that water pollution. The first thing it is from factories and sewage treatment plants. It will get polluted, and underground minings and oil wells, oil tankers, and agricultural. For these sources, water will get polluted. And also, when the acid deposition from the air and traffic pollutants that are spread through the rivers, and pollutants that enter the river through groundwater, then it will get polluted. And the same thing for the main source for the water pollution, it is city sewage. The main thing, city sewage and industrial waste discharged into the rivers. That is the major cause for the water pollution. And fourth one, the last sources for water pollution, that is the agricultural runoff and the water from the fields that drains into the rivers, is the another major source. Nowadays it is the major source for pollutants if it contains fertilizers and pesticides. These are the sources of pollutants. Okay, and we are going to study water pollutants and their adverse effect. Whatever we have studied in the last videos, air pollutants and their adverse effect, the same concept, water pollutants and their adverse effect. And also we have to study the next videos, dissolved oxygen, or DO. It is also known as DO, means dissolved oxygen, and determination of dissolved oxygen in water sample, that is known as Winkler method. Winkler method, or determination of dissolved oxygen in water sample. That is principle, chemical required reactions, procedures are there. We will study in the next video. And same, chemical oxygen demand, COD, chemical oxygen demand. Same here also, principle, everything. Determination of chemical oxygen demand, principle, chemical required reactions and procedure and calculations. And biological oxygen demands. The first one is oxygen demand, oxygen demand and chemical oxygen demand. Dissolved oxygen and chemical oxygen demand. And third one is biological oxygen demand, BOD, biological oxygen demand. That is determination of biological oxygen demand, principle, procedure, reactions and calculations. And the last concept for this chapter, that is treatment of sewage and industrial effluent. That is pre-treatment, primary treatment, sedimentation, that one gets sedimentation, and secondary treatment. And secondary treatment involves trickling filters and activated sludge process and surface aerated basins. Tertiary treatment, all these we will study in the next videos. I hope you are all understand, because it is a theoretical chapter, and it is a easy chapter, and it is a general chapter. Air pollution, how it is caused, what is the sources for that one, and adverse effect. And same, water pollution and sources of water pollution and adverse effect. They may be asked for 2 marks. What is meant by air pollution? They may ask for 2 marks. What is meant by air pollution, or what is meant by water pollution? And what are the sources? Write any two sources for air pollution or write any two sources for water pollutants. And adverse effect, they may ask for 2 marks or 3 marks question. Okay, and we will study adverse effect in the next videos. Thank you.